5 handcrafted HTML/CSS email templates. Don't miss the full content. Watch the complete video now. Responsive order confirmation email template for Gmail web, HTML/CSS, built using clean HTML and inline CSS. It includes all essential sections like logo, personalized greeting, dynamic product table, social icons, and support information. It renders consistently across major email clients and devices, perfect for e-commerce stores, SaaS platforms, and digital marketplaces. This email layout provides a polished customer experience with minimal development effort. Booking confirmation email template, responsive HTML/CSS layout for services products. It features dynamic sections like customer name, booking time/date, issues reported, and contact information, all wrapped in a responsive, Gmail-compatible format. No JavaScript, frameworks, or third-party dependencies required. Dark-themed order-shipped email template, HTML/CSS responsive design, professional order shipment confirmation emails with this fully responsive HTML/CSS email template. Designed with a sleek dark UI, this layout confirms shipment details including order ID, product name, quantity, shipping address, and estimated delivery date. Responsive HTML payment received email template, no frameworks, clean design. Streamline your transactional emails with this professionally crafted payment received HTML email template. Designed with clean, responsive HTML and CSS, no external frameworks or JavaScript, this template is perfect for confirming online payments in e-commerce, SaaS platforms, or freelance invoices. Order confirmation HTML email template, clean invoice style. Whether you run an e-commerce store, SaaS platform, or a freelance service, this email template helps build trust by professionally confirming transactions. It's fully customizable, no JavaScript needed, and works across Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, and most web clients.